How to cancel order and get refund in Best Buy app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Best Buy Customer Service. In the interface that you will be led to, tap on this particular option. You will now see the Orders and Purchases option. Tap on that and further tap on the Learn More option under the Return and Exchanges tab. You will then see two options, that is, return it to a store or ship it back to Best Buy. Simply look for the cancel button in the order details page, and the first option is to return your item to your Best Buy store if you order something online and need to return it because it was not what you wanted or if it arrived damaged. You can easily do this at any Best Buy location. The second option is to ship the item back to Best Buy. This might be a bit more time consuming and potentially expensive if you choose to pay for shipping yourself. However, Best Buy provides a prepaid UPS shipping label, which makes it free to return the item. So, this is how you can cancel order and get refund in Best Buy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.